Namaskar. Good day. Hi, how are you? Now today we learn standard 8. Lesson number first, living world and classification of microbes. You know living world. Living world means Sajiv Srushti in Marathi. There are biodiversity and needs of classifications. In history, the scientist Charles Luminous divided living things into kingdoms. Haeckel's considered three kingdoms: first one Protista, plants and animals. In 1925, Chaten created two groups, prokaryotics and eukaryotics, and in 1938, Copland's divided four kingdoms: Monera, Protista, plants and animals. Now these chapters will learn the scientist, American ecologist Robert Harding Whittaker's date of birth is 1920 and dead 1980. He was an American ecologist. In 1969, he divided living organisms into 5 groups. Their classifications of living organisms was two types, prokaryotics and eukaryotics. In prokaryotics has unicellular, and in this unicellular the kingdom first name is Monera. And the second types of eukaryotics and is subtypes of unicellular and multicellular. In unicellular, the kingdom second name is Protista. And sub classification multicellular, there had kingdom 3, kingdom 4 and kingdom 5. In kingdom 3, fungi, there are cell wall presents, but organisms cannot perform photosynthesis. Kingdom 4, plantae. There are cell walls present and organisms can perform photosynthesis. In kingdom 5, there are animals, no cells wall. Now today we learn kingdom first, Monera. Here in a kingdom you look at the pictures. All types of bacteria and blue-green algae are included in the kingdom Monera. There are three characteristics. First one is all the organisms are unicellular. They may be autotrophics and heterotrophics, and these are prokaryotic cell without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. The second kingdom is Protista. Here look the pictures: amoeba, paramecium, euglena. The characteristics is Protista are single celled organisms with cell defense nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. There are Eudopodia or hairs like cilia or whip like flagella for locomotions. A third one is the autotrophies. For examples, euglena. Volvox contains chloroplast. Kingdom 3, fungi. Characteristics is there are non-green eukaryotics heterotrophics organisms. They feed upon decaying organic matters. Third one is their cell wall is made up of touch and complex sugar called chitin. Fourth one is some